back to greensmoothie.co.nz. Today we're going to make a chocolate ice cream. To start with, you'll need berries, spinach, water and an apple in the first part. So about a quarter of a cup of berries into your Omni blender. A whole apple, quarter a cup of water, and interestingly enough, spinach. So yeah, ice cream is another brilliant way you can get a huge dose of your green vegetables every day. So we're going to add in some more ingredients, but I want to process these first, just because I want the seeds and the blackberries and the apple seeds ground up really, really fine in the ice cream. So I'm going to put that on for 35 seconds. And you see that's made a lovely chocolate brown colour. Next we're going to add in our banana. One scoop of protein powder. A quarter cup of cocoa. And stevia. I'm going to use 3 squirts in the eyedropper of stevia. This recipe makes about 1.5 litres of ice cream, and the total calories for the whole 1.5 litres is 350. So you can see that's less than a meal. It's a sort of a large size snack. Actually, when I have this, I feel full for about 6 hours if I do the whole 1.5 litres myself. So it's one of the easiest ways to lose weight by eating chocolate ice cream. So I'm going to put that in for another 30 seconds. And we're done. Right. You can see how thick it is. So I'm just going to tip some into the bowl. That's a real thing. I love chocolate ice cream. For more great recipes, check us out, greensmoothie.co.nz.